Car theft has been intensifying in Clarendon, weeks after the police discovered a major organised car stealing ring in the parish. Now, head of the Operations Division for the Clarendon Police is warning that residents must be on high alert. Kalisha Williams has that story.
On September 30, the Clarendon Police announced it discovered a well-developed car-stealing ring in the parish. 2 weeks later, car thieves continued to wreak havoc in Clarendon. Speaking at the Clarendon Municipal Corporation on Thursday, Head of Operations for the Clarendon Police, DSP Anton Gore Cardoza, gave an update.
Up to September of this year, I know that at least 35 vehicles were stolen across the division. This is very serious, it's a serious issue, and we're asking that you just remind your constituents about some safety measures to protect their vehicles.
While the police say serious crimes in the parish remain stable, they believe criminals are getting creative in how they break into different premises and steal motor vehicles. Places like Mineral Heights and Maypen are frequently targeted by thieves.
Not everybody will have a garage, but at the very least, if you have a yard that has a gate, close the gate, put a padlock on it. Simple things as that. I have seen footage of persons trying to steal cars, but the padlock, the particular padlock that is used on the gate, poses a challenge to them, and they have to walk with steel cutters to try and cut it. So good, so don't make it easy for these car thieves at all.
He further indicated that where possible, proper lighting, cameras and motion sensors can help, pointing out that the police have also noticed some crimes of opportunity surrounding the same issue. DSP Cardoza is urging residents to be extremely careful.
Here it is that a person is going to the airport in the wee hours of the morning. Car thieves are passing and see you loading your vehicle with bags. So they say they just use the opportunity and steal a car there and then. This kind of makes it a little different because now it goes over into the realm of a robbery. Now, what can happen in a robbery? Usually persons who rob have firearms, eh? Good, so that may lead to now you might resist. That may lead to the firearm being used.
The police have been working with various stakeholders in the parish to disrupt the crime syndicate. Kalisha Williams, TVJ News.